Before we can measure, we must first know what we're looking for. Every signal holds meaning, but meaning hides in complexity, in distortion, in speed. Technology moves faster than ever, and with every leap, clarity becomes harder to find. But insight begins where noise ends. In high-speed signal analysis, there's no room for compromise, because when precision is at stake, sharing resources between channels isn't an option. Introducing the RIGOL DS80000 Series. 4 fully independent channels, up to 13 GHz bandwidth on each channel. With sample rate up to 40 gigasamples per second on each channel. 4 gigapoints of memory depth per channel. Built-in features for high-speed applications. Engineered for clarity. Ready for the future. Whether you're verifying a system, debugging in real time, or pushing the edge of signal design, this is the tool that shows you more. Not just waveforms, but understanding. RIGOL DS80000 Series. See more, understand more, see beyond.